Alexa, stop. Hi there. Today we're going to take a look at the Echo Input Portable. It's the first portable wireless Alexa speaker which you can take anywhere. And I believe it really changes how you use a smart speaker. So let's find out if it's worth getting this or not. But before we dive in, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Also follow me on my social media handles. You'll see the names right here. This is your friend Singh. Let's get started. So here is the Echo Input Portable. Let's start with the physical overview. Actually, it's bigger and heavier than I expected. It weighs around 450 grams and has the same design profile as we see on the Echo speakers. Soft grey mesh all around covering the speakers, and it looks really lovely. On the side you have the power on off button, volume up and down button and battery indicator LEDs. If you press it once, you will get the battery status shown by 4 LED lights. On the top, right in the center is an LED light, 4 microphones on the sides and 2 buttons. One is the mute button, so it will stop listening and won't wake up to an Alexa call. Second is the action setup button. On the back is a micro USB charging port. Unlike most other Echo speakers, this doesn't have a 3.5 headphone jack, which is quite odd given that you have that on smaller Echo Dots. And it would have been really convenient to use it with your wired speakers, but you can use it to connect to other Bluetooth speakers wirelessly. The build quality of the Echo Portable is really impressive. So to set it up is just like setting up any Echo speaker. First thing, make sure that the Echo Portable is charged. Download the Amazon Alexa app on your Android or iOS device. Follow the setup process and it should be done in less than 5 minutes. Important point, to use the Echo Portable device, you're going to need a Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot. It won't even play music from your phone's Bluetooth if it doesn't have access to internet. Alright, the setup is done and the rest works just like any other Echo speaker. Call the magical name, Alexa, what's the weather in Mumbai?
Currently, in Mumbai, Maharashtra, it's 27 degrees Celsius with dreary skies.
Wow, that's actually quite loud and clear. So you can request it to play songs from Amazon Music, Saavn, Gaana, Apple Music, Hungama and so many more sources. But to avoid copyright, I'll connect it to my phone's Bluetooth and play some copyright-free music. Alexa, connect to my Bluetooth.
Connected to Singh's iPhone.
Wow, this actually sounds quite sweet. Bass is soft, but the clarity is amazing. It sounds really rich as well. I personally feel it sounds even a tad better than the Echo Dot. It does a good job in the sound department. But that's not the only reason to buy this, the biggest one being portability. Taking it along with you anywhere is the key. Keep it in the kitchen when you're cooking for recipes or music. Keep it on your work desk, on the balcony while sipping your coffee and listening to your favorite music. Not only is it restricted to indoors, you can take it out for picnics, but only thing it will need is connected to internet, so you can connect it to your mobile hotspot. For those who are thinking it's going to exhaust my mobile data limit, nah, don't worry. It doesn't consume more than 300-400 MB even if it's playing for 10 hours straight without a break. Coming to the battery, the Echo Portable has a 4800 mAh battery and the company claims 10 hours of music playback on full charge. I think that's pretty reasonable because some bigger Bluetooth speakers have similar battery life and you can turn it off when you're not using it to save battery. It fully charges in around 4 hours. You can even use it like a fixed smart speaker just like the Echo Dot. Keep it plugged into the power source, unplug it and take it when you want to use it someplace else. The other good thing is it has a micro USB charging port, so you can charge it with any micro USB cable anywhere, like even in the car. I wish it had a USB-C, it would have helped charge faster and probably been more convenient considering most of our phones now have USB-C charging cables. Also, a very important thing to remember is that it's not going to last for more than a day if it's unplugged as on standby mode. I also use this while watching videos to check for latency and there was a noticeable lag. I know most of you will be using this for listening to music, but just in case you were thinking, it's not recommended for watching videos and movies. Just a quick brief on the Alexa features. It's a smart speaker, so you can ask for the weather, general knowledge questions, conversions, ask it to set alarms and timers. You can control smart lights, smart applications just with your voice. You can add skills in the Alexa app. Skills are like what apps are for smartphones. Games, trivia, Bhagavad Gita, prayers, and of course millions of songs from the most popular streaming apps. You can also talk to Alexa in Hindi if that's your preference. And trust me, it works really well. You can change it in the language options in the Alexa app settings. Here's a quick demo. Alexa, आप कैसे हो?
आपने पूछ लिया, बस दिल गार्डन गार्डन हो गया।
Alexa, किशोर कुमार के गाने चला दीजिए।
Amazon Music पर किशोर कुमार के गाने ये रहे।
Alexa, stop. The mics on the Echo Portable is quite responsive. Even when the music is playing at high volume, it mostly hears it when you call the Alexa name. The Echo Input Portable is selling for $3,499 on Amazon.in. So is the Echo Dot. The thing is that the Dot has a 3.5 out to connect to external speakers, but the Echo Portable doesn't. But the Echo Portable, as the name says, is more portable, and trust me, it has its own perks. Keep it anywhere or take it anywhere. If you're looking for a smart speaker which you can carry with you everywhere, the Echo Portable is your best option and probably the only one. I'll leave the links for the Echo Portable and the Echo Dot in the description. If you'd like to buy one, do check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments and let me know if there are any questions about the Echo Portable or the Echo Dot. I'll be happy to help. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.